support and resistance. I'm going to show you very quick how to buy at the support and sell at the resistance. If you know how to buy from support and sell at the resistance, you'll be good. Because support and resistance, that's a good strategy to buy in the stock market, to trade or to do option. But that doesn't mean you have to buy and sell. It's just for education purpose. So I'm going to show you very easy how you do your support and resistance. Now, before we go there, just do me a favor, please. Subscribe, like, and share. So anytime you get something like that, you'll be notified. Subscribe and like. Now, let's go there. The support and resistance is two lines. A two line. I'm going to show you this two line. How you do that? We got it. We call it, if we make a line here, we call that resistance. And we have another line in the bottom, we call that support. So this is line called resistance, and this one called support. If you can know these two things, you can start trading, making some money if you can follow the rule. Now, you know, the stock market is always going up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So it's always like that. It's going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that it goes sideways. But most of the time it's go up and down, up, down, down. So that means simple. So it's go up to the resistance and go back to the support. So for instance, as I just told you, it's going up. Stock market open here. For instance, this one is $10. And I say this one is $15. The resistance is 15 and support is at $10. Now start going like that. Open at the support, 10, it hit resist. It go back down because the stock market go down and up, it's going to hit back again. So it always go back, open, support, hit resist, support, resistance, support, resistance. That's the way. So what you do when you buy, you always buy always at the resistance, at the support here. And what you do, you sell always at the resistance. So you buy here and you wait for that to be hit resistance. You don't buy at the resistance, you sell. And you don't sell at the support, you buy. And when you go back again up, you sell. You go back down, you buy. You go back up to the support, to the resistance, you sell. You go back down to the support, you buy. So another way that you can always buy, because remember you always buy at the support and you sell at the resistance. So you never buy here in the middle. Because if you buy at the middle, what's going to happen? You never know. It might be go back down here. So stock might be go down here, and you say, oh, let me buy. And then it doesn't go up, and then you retrace back down. So you're going to lose your money. Unless you have a resistance back here, line. But even though if you have a resistance back here, what you do, you just sell instead of buy. The only way you can buy in the middle, if you have a resistance line, for instance here, and then the stock is broke or break above. But even though it's break above, it has to be continued. So for instance here, let's say this one is a candle, that's a resistance. We have that resistance here, we have a candle here. So if the candle break above the resistance, if it's break this line and this candle, so now you have a chance for the stock to go higher. So that's the way you buy. Now you buy here at the next candle. But you never buy there like this. You wait for the candle to be broke above and then continue and then you buy. But the main thing, you always buy at the bottom, support here, and then you wait for the stock to go up and you sell at the line. The only way you buy after the resistance if it's broke. For instance, this one is break, candle is break above the line, and you wait for the next candle to form, and then you push the buy. But you have to always buy at the support, my friend. I'm going to show you something very quick in the wheel chart. It's up here. Let's just share another shot for you to show you something there. For instance, we got here Tesla. We're gonna put a line for resistance and a line for support. Or you put a line, you go to the jaw. You always put your line for the resistance at the last candle, top of the last candle. That's the resistance here. And you put the line down there. The support at the last bottom of the candle. You see, very simple. You see, how the stock market I've been to do is always going. Stock market always going up, down, up, down. So you see what happened at support, you buy at the support. You see the white candle here, that's the support. And you wait for that to go up to that line. It says here, you sell. You see, this one is a false break. It went broke, but it went back here. You have to wait for the next candle to be formed so you can buy. So it broke here, but it's come back here. So that's why you have to wait to see. You need patience when you do support and resistance. That's the way support and resistance works. You need to have patience. How you do your patience? By waiting for the stock to come back down to the support and you buy. Go back down here, you buy. That's it. Because you have to always put your line. You have to always put your support line in your resistance line. So you wait for the stock to come back to that line, down, you buy. And now you watch it, you wait for that to go back above to the resistance line, you sell, you make some money, and you wait for that to come back again down, as you can see here. Let me move some shot for you. You went back down here, you buy, and you wait for stock to move that up to the resistance, you sell. It goes back down here to support, you buy, and you go back above to the line. As soon as you go to the line, you sell, and you wait for that to go back to that support, you buy, and wait again to go back. You see this candle is what empty. That's a weak empty because people sell. That's why it's coming back down. You buy here, and so you're gonna see this candle here. Just go back above. Now you see for the last candle, you see that's a resistance. That's what happened there. And Tesla hasn't been closed above. You see the candle hasn't been closed above the resistance line. That means Tesla has a chance to come back a little bit down because as you can see, this candle is being closed below the line. If it was closed above the line, it has a chance to move higher. Since it has been closed below this line, resistance line, it has a chance to go back down. So we never know. But just let's see what's going to happen. So my friend, that's the way you always buy support, you sell resistance. Wait for that to come back down to buy support, you sell resistance. You buy support, you sell resistance. That's the way, my friend. If you like this video, just do me a favor, subscribe and like, share. Anytime you get something like that, you'll be notified. Support resistance is one of the main key to do your trade or option, but that doesn't mean you have to buy and sell just for the education purpose. It's Harry. Take care. Love you. See you. Take care. Bye.